Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's makeup look is this makeup look. This is the Eid makeup look, and I used like NYX eyeshadow palette. The palette I used it on my last video, and I tried to do more like a universal color. I used more like a dark brown with a gold tone, so I tried to match with my outfit. And I feel like this eyeshadow, the eyeshadow I created, it's kind of goes with a lot of like a different color outfit, and most of our traditional outfit has like a gold tone on it, so I feel like it's gonna go with any color of outfit if you have. And the outfit I'm wearing, it's like a really light yellow, and this is my, I think 2 years ago, I think 2019 outfit, and this is one of my like favorite outfit from Eid. And I just thought I will wear this and I will create this makeup look for you guys. And yeah, I really like it how it turned out, and I hope you guys will like it. If you want to see how I create this makeup look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so as you guys can see, I have my full base makeup and my one eye is done. So I'm gonna show you how I did this eye. And for this, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetic Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. And as you guys know, I used it on my last video and I really like this. And I'm gonna get this shade, this like an orangish tone, and I'm gonna put this on my crease, like just like all over my crease. And I'm putting in my inner corner, inner side here, and also I'm putting on my outer corner as well using the same brush. This like a little fluffier flat shader brush. Then I'm gonna go with this shade, and same thing, I'm gonna outer half and also inner half. And I'm just connecting its like a middle part with this same eyeshadow. And I'm just putting it like that. Then I'm gonna go back to my big blending brush, the first brush, blending one, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. And I'm going back to this dark shade, and I'm gonna put this same thing, outer V, and also like the inner corner as well. This is so pigmented, just have to be a little more lighter hand. And I'm just gonna, same thing, I'm just connecting with both because I wanted to do more like a hollow eye look. So I'm going back to my blending brush and nothing on it, I'm just blend the edges. Go back to my this shader brush, and I'm gonna get this shade and I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes. Going back to my dark shade using the same brush, and I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes as well. Now I'm gonna go with my any concealer, what concealer you have. I'm getting my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and using a concealer brush, and I'm gonna make like a half cut crease eyelid. So I'm gonna make like, now I'm gonna go with this gold. This one is more like a antique gold kind of color. I'm going to use my finger and I'm gonna put this on my middle part of my eyelid where I put concealer. Beautiful shade, and it's so pigmented and so vibrant, like you can see, and super sparkly. I'm using this brush and using the same gold shade, and I'm just trying to put that on top of it. Now I'm gonna go back to my shader brush and I'm gonna get this dark brown shade and I'm gonna blend the edges. Then I'm gonna get another pencil brush using this gold shade and I'm gonna put this on my lower lashes on the middle part here. Now I'm gonna go with my kohl eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna do tight line with this. So now I'm gonna use my mascara from Tarte Cosmetics. So for lashes, I'm using my mink lashes from Arden. Now I'm gonna go back to my pencil brush, and I'm gonna get this this peachy gold shade, and I'm gonna put this for my inner corner. I use my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. This one is Mellow Wine. Have a little bit on, then I used it a little bit more. Then for my lip, I'm going to use my Morphe Sweetie lip liner. I like this lip liner because I've been using this ever since I got it, and this one I feel like is really like versatile for a lot of like a lipstick, so you can use it. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Anastasia Ashton liquid lipstick. I wanted to wear more like a nude lip with it because my eye has a lot of like a drama going on. I really like these lipsticks. It's like a really nice brown tone liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna get my foundation and using my concealer brush, and I'm just gonna try to clean up my lip. So I'm gonna get a little bit highlighter from Master Chrome from Maybelline. This one is Gilded Melted Gold, and I'm just gonna touch up a little bit. And set everything. I'm gonna use my setting spray from Morphe. So I use this headpiece on the side of my hair, and I really like it. You can use this if you want to put it in the middle, but I like to use it on the side, and I like it with this outfit. And this one I got it, I think 2019, and this is like one of my best, like one of my favorite outfit for Eid, and I really like it. I will show you guys. And yeah, this is my completed look. I use it like an antique gold. I was trying to match with, like, you know, contrast with this eye, and I really like it how it turned out. Look at this eye makeup, it's so pretty. Like, you can use this eye makeup with any like a traditional outfit. That's what I feel like. And it's hollow eye with like a gold in the middle. I hope you guys will like it, and if you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.